There's definitely a lot of fear, confusion, and uncertainty in the crypto market. Just go to google.com/news and type in crypto. You're going to receive a lot of different articles, some positive, some very negative. Check out the first one. Crypto.com pauses withdrawals due to suspicious activity. Negative article. Scroll down a little bit more. Walmart is poised to push into the metaverse with crypto and NFTs. A very positive article. If this one came out 6 months ago, it would have definitely pushed the market higher. And then right below it, Pakistan pretty much is asking one of their biggest companies to block crypto websites. Check out the next page. Two positive articles about Binance and their new exchanges. Bitcoin millionaires are moving to Puerto Rico, that island life. And then on the bottom, Bitcoin slump could be start of crypto winter. As you can see, there's a lot of negative news and a lot of positive news. But the part that scares me the most is the markets are not reacting. We have been in a sideways slump for a very long time right now. I believe there's a lot of people sitting on the sidelines with their money waiting to see what will happen next. Are we going to continue to go lower, or are we going to have a massive reversal upwards? Nobody knows. But here's exactly what I'm personally doing. I'm only investing in projects that I plan on holding for multiple years. Also, I'm not FOMOing into any new project. Also, guys, I am taking profits where I can take profits. It is better to take a little bit of profits and then buy at lower prices than to hold and then have to sell for a loss. Let me know in the comment section below, what are you doing? Is the bull run over? I don't think so. This is just a small hiccup, and I believe 2022 is going to be a massive year. Starting spring, summertime, expect a huge rally. That is how I'm playing this market, and that is where I'm expecting a big reversal. Like, follow, peace.